In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the transparency of an image in your slide presentation. Whether you're designing a captivating presentation for work or crafting a creative project for school, learning how to manage image transparency can add a professional touch to your slides. So, let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about getting your image ready. You have a couple of options here. You can either insert a new image from your files or make use of an existing one already in your slide. If you're starting from scratch and need to add an image, you'll want to navigate to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click on Insert, then choose Image. From there, you can either upload an image from your computer or select one from a variety of other sources available. Either way, position your image where you want it on the slide before proceeding. Once your image is on the slide, click on it to select it. You'll notice a border appearing around the image, which means it's ready for editing. With the image selected, right-click on it to bring up a context menu. In this menu, look for the Format options. Selection and click on it. Doing so will bring up a new panel on the right-hand side of your screen, providing you with several tools to adjust your image. Now, we're getting to the part where you can adjust the transparency. In the right-hand panel, you'll need to locate the Adjustments section. If it's not already expanded, simply click on it to reveal the adjustment options. You'll see a few sliders here, but today, we're focusing on the Transparency slider. By default, the slider is set all the way to the left, meaning your image is fully opaque or not see-through at all. To make the image more transparent, gradually move the slider to the right. As you slide, you'll notice the image becoming more and more see-through. Keep adjusting until you achieve the level of transparency that complements your slide. This can be crucial for overlaying text or creating a more cohesive design without distracting from other elements on your slide. It's a subtle yet effective way to make your presentation stand out. Once you're satisfied with how your image looks, you can simply click away from the panel or close it altogether to save your changes. Your image will retain the adjusted transparency, and you're ready to continue with your slide design. And there you have it. Adjusting the transparency of an image is a straightforward process that can add a layer of sophistication to your presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.